Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the track ready. Import your clip and place it on the timeline, then immediately duplicate that clip as a backup so you can experiment without losing the original. Once done, split out the specific noisy segment so actions affect only the problem area. Make sure to zoom the waveform about 2 to 4 times to visually identify noise floors and quiet gaps. This helps you pick accurate settings later, and it speeds the next steps. Now apply VN's noise reduction tool and choose a voice preset if it exists, otherwise pick custom. Start with a low reduction value, around 10 to 20%, because heavy reduction creates artifacts. Then raise sensitivity so the filter learns the constant background hiss without grabbing transient sounds. Once you have initial settings, loop a short segment and preview. If noise persists, increase reduction in small 5%. Finish by polishing. Apply a gentle equalizer. Cut a small band around 200 to 400 Hz to reduce boom, and add 3 to 5 decibels near 3 to 6 kHz to bring back intelligibility. Once satisfied, use light compression to level dynamics and normalize peaks to about -1 decibel for consistency. If you notice artifacts like warbling or metallic tones, lower the noise reduction amount and tighten sensitivity. Then re-preview. That troubleshooting loop usually resolves most issues without sacrificing clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.